The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, a dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
Like DistroKid or like TuneCore and stuff like that?
I use TuneCore. Yeah, I've been with TuneCore for a while and I like them. You know, I've been with them from the beginning. I have 5 music albums and the first one I launched back in 2000 and I launched my first album back in 2005. And I started off with them and been with them ever since.
What do you like the most about them?
The way their dashboard works, it's organized, it's user friendly, it's super easy. The rates, I mean, they're not the least expensive, they're not the most expensive, they're pretty average. But I really like that it's easy to upload singles, it's easy to upload an album. It's easy to use.
Yeah, I used to use TuneCore for my stuff. I switched over. I use DistroKid. The thing with DistroKid, it's like an annual rate it's like an annual pay. So you pay, like you have a subscription to it and then you pay however, like I think there's like different, I don't know. I haven't really looked into it. I got it a while ago, so I can't remember. I used to use TuneCore because you pay every individual song you release, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. DistroKid, you pay a subscription, then you release as much with it.
Oh, that's really good. I think that's even better.
Yeah, that's why I switched. I like TuneCore.
Do you have to go ahead and like your old stuff? So I got 5 albums up already. Like, would I have to, once I terminate my membership with TuneCore, would my albums be taken offline and then I have to upload them through DistroKid?
Probably.
Yeah.
I had a bunch of older projects on TuneCore. I ended up just taking them down, is what happened. I just released new, or you could just re-upload them on DistroKid. But I mean, you could just, cause you know, like TuneCore, the thing about TuneCore, you're not paying a subscription. So, I mean, if you wanted to use DistroKid for now, you could leave your music there. It's not like you're paying anything for it. You know, like you can check into your TuneCore and you can take your stuff out.
So now it's like $49.99, so $50 per album per year. So like,
yes, you know, the annual fees for individual music, yeah. You'd be paying that, but DistroKid, you just be another subscription on top of it, but you can release all your newer stuff through that.
Nice. That's good. Like
that's what I did.
Covers, like if you're someone that's doing covers, let's say you're doing 4 to 5 covers a month, it makes sense. That's, you know, that's 50, 60 songs in a year. It makes sense to do it with distro. That's good, man. I'm gonna look into that. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Well, I had to find out for that too. I don't release music as often because the genre I make is orchestra, like, you know, film score stuff. So I compose and produce all of that. So my music takes a long time to make. So people like me, TuneCore, like off the bat work, but I honestly still save money with DistroKid still, even though I don't release as much. I release you could release like a bunch of albums and it wouldn't cost you any more. Like you don't have to pay an annual fee for every album. Perfect. So like if you release a lot of music, then honestly it's more recommended.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I have nothing against TuneCore. TuneCore, it's one of those things. It's like there's some people that buy music on iTunes and there's some people that stream it. It's just a preference between the two. It depends on who you are and what you're doing. That whatever service is more appealing. But I switched to DistroKid because I have that potential if I do want to release a bunch of music back to back without having to pay extra, then I can.